Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Lessons. Today you will practice listening with a simple English story. Listen carefully, repeat after me if you like, and try to imagine the story in your mind. At the end, we will learn new words with meanings and examples. Let's begin. Part 1. The Morning. Anna is a young woman. She lives in a small town near the river. Every morning, Anna wakes up early, very early. She opens her window and looks outside. The air is fresh, the sky is clear, and she hears birds singing. She smiles and says,
"What a beautiful morning."
Anna goes to the kitchen and makes breakfast. She eats bread with butter and drinks a cup of hot tea. While eating, she writes her plan for the day in a small notebook. Part 2. The Market. After breakfast, Anna puts on her shoes, takes her shopping bag, and leaves the house. She walks to the market. It's not far. On the way, she sees children going to school. She sees a man washing his car. She sees a woman watering flowers in her garden. The market is busy and full of colors. There are red apples, yellow bananas, orange carrots, and green cucumbers. Anna buys apples, a loaf of bread, and a bottle of milk. At the market, she meets her friend Peter. Peter is a baker. He sells bread and sweet rolls.
"Hello, Anna,"
says Peter.
"Would you like to try my new bread? It's soft and delicious."
Anna laughs.
Yes, please. I'll take 2 rolls.
Part 3. The Park. After shopping, Anna goes to the park. The park is big, green, and peaceful. Tall trees give shade, flowers add color, and ducks swim in the pond. Children run and play with a ball. A dog chases a stick. An old man sits on a bench reading a newspaper. Anna sits under a tree and eats an apple slowly. She closes her eyes and listens to the birds. It feels quiet, calm, and relaxing. Part 4. The Afternoon. In the afternoon, Anna goes back home. She puts her food on the table and prepares lunch. She cooks vegetable soup and makes a fresh salad. The soup is warm and tasty. The salad is light and healthy. After lunch, Anna sits on the sofa and opens her book. It is about a traveler who visits many countries: France, Italy, Spain, and Japan. Anna enjoys travel stories. She dreams of visiting Paris one day, walking near the Eiffel Tower, and eating French bread. Part 5. The Evening. In the evening, Anna visits her parents. They live in a small house near the river. Her mother is in the garden, watering flowers. Her father is repairing a wooden chair. They sit together, drink tea, and talk. Her mother tells Anna about the vegetables growing in the garden. Her father shows her an old photo album. They look at the pictures and laugh at the funny memories. When the sun goes down, Anna says goodbye and walks home. The stars are shining. The moon is bright. Anna feels tired but happy. She lies in bed and whispers,
Today was a good day. Yes, today was a very good day.
Mini Dictionary. Town, a small city or community, smaller than a city, with houses, schools, and shops. For example, Anna lives in a quiet town near the river. Fresh, new, clean, or not old, something that feels natural and good. For example, the bread from the bakery is always fresh. Market, a place where people buy and sell, often outdoors, full of fruits, vegetables, and goods. For example, Anna goes to the market on Saturdays. Loaf, a large piece of bread baked in one shape. You cut it into slices before eating. For example, he bought a loaf of brown bread. Rolls, small round breads, usually soft, often eaten with soup or tea. For example, she had soup with 2 fresh rolls. Delicious, something very tasty and good to eat, food that makes you happy when you eat it. For example, the cake was delicious. Everyone wanted more. Peaceful, something calm and quiet, a place without noise or stress. For example, the park is peaceful in the morning. Bench, a long seat in a park made of wood or metal for 2 or more people. For example, the old man is sitting on the bench. Traveler, a person who visits many places, someone who goes to other countries or towns. For example, the traveler wrote about her adventures. Dream, a strong wish or hope for the future. Something you want very much. For example, her dream is to see Paris one day. Garden, land with flowers or vegetables. People plant and grow things there. For example, the garden has tomatoes and beans. Photo, a picture taken with a camera, a way to remember people or places. For example, we looked at old family photos. Laugh, to make a happy sound when something is funny. You laugh when you are happy or hear a joke. For example, they laugh at the funny story. Star, a small light in the night sky. Stars are far away, shining above us. For example, the stars are bright tonight. Tired, needing rest or sleep, how you may feel after a long day. For example, Anna feels tired but also happy. Great job! You listened to a full story in English. Remember, the more you listen, the more you understand. Try listening again tomorrow and see how much more you remember. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thank you for learning with me today, and see you in the next video.